As a truck owner, I've always had to choose between a bed cover and a rack. Roll-N Lock has come out with a cover that solves both those issues. The Roll-N Lock M Series XT is designed to provide both security and convenience, making it a must-have upgrade for any truck owner out there. What makes the M Series XT the right choice are its unique features. First, this cover offers complete bed access. With just one twist of the lock, it easily glides open, allowing you full access to your truck bed. No more crawling or reaching to retrieve your belongings. Not only is this bed cover convenient, but it's built to withstand the elements. The M Series XT is constructed with tough, high-quality materials, making it extremely durable and weather-resistant. Whether it's rain, snow, or intense sunshine, this cover will keep your cargo safe and dry. So if you're like me, you want to keep the cover and use a rack. What sets the MXT apart is its use of the innovative MaxTrack system, allowing you to personalize your bed for your specific needs. The M Series XT features a unique locking mechanism that provides added protection for your belongings. Rest easy knowing your cargo is safe and secure, whether you're parked in a busy city or out on an adventure. Another great feature is the sleek design. Not only does it enhance your truck's overall appearance, but it also blends in with the profile of your truck. The Roll-N Lock M Series XT is a bed cover that combines security, convenience, durability, and style all in one package. If you're a truck owner looking to upgrade your bed cover, this is definitely worth considering. So if you're interested in the Roll-N Lock M Series XT bed cover or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.